Hey, curious minds, ready to unbox your next big find? Every episode of Unbox Solutions with me dives deep into Amazon gems, smart hacks, and surprising solutions you might not know existed. From combat boots to kitchen gadgets, we unbox them all, up close, unfiltered, and just for you. Tag along as we refresh, relax, and renew your everyday routine, one product at a time. Catch new episodes every Tuesday on YouTube at My Coach Ministry. Hit subscribe, smash that bell, and never miss a reveal.
Thank you so much for staying with me. I am Coach Racquel, and of course, we're now in our Unbox Solutions with me segment. And I have 3 packages here that I want to share that I'm going to be unpacking. I'm going to be opening right here, right now with you. All right. So I have 3 packages. I have this one, and we have this one. All right. I'm sharing the things I bought with you now, but let's see which one we have first so I can know which one to. All right. All right. So let's start with this one. Yeah, I opened it already and took out a mouse. So we have a mouse here, another mouse. This one is a wired. Yeah, I think this is a wired gaming mouse designed for gamers. Well, I hope it works for podcasters. So that's it. That's one. And let's see what this is. Ooh, all right. So we're done with this. And we just want to say thanks to Tara Couriers for our delivery. All right. So this one now. Okay. All right, so this is a mouse. Let me click on it so you can see it properly. All right, so this is a wired mouse, right? Wired, it's wired. All right. Very nice. The box. So this is the cord. That's a cord. And this is the mouse. I like it. Ooh, it's cute. Very cute. And this is the cord, right? So that's our first item. And the brand is called Onitune or Wanitune or, yeah, I don't know what it's, can't pronounce it. Onitune or something like that. There we go. So that's our first Amazon find for today. All right, let's put this somewhere. Right. So 24 piece. This is a 24-piece black silverware set with steak knives. So let me click on it so you can see it. Yeah. Right. So here we are. Wow. Okay. All right. Ooh. Oh, it's heavier than I thought it would be. Oh, very nice. I like it. Can you see? Can you see it? Yeah. Ooh. Yeah. So it's a 24. It's 24. Come in a box. Yeah. And, ooh, yes. All right. Ooh. All right. So here are the knives, forks, spoons. Yeah, and you'll see me use these on my food channel. Yeah, at Kelly's ASMR, tastyfoodadventures.com. You'll see me use these on my website. Yeah. All right. Because I'm an ASMR artist, a food blogger and vlogger. Both. So if you go to my website. You'll see that. All right. I'm trying to, yeah, remove my personal information. All right. So we're going to this package now, which I believe are the blouses. I love the sound of that. All right. Yes. Okay. So, first one. Uh-huh. Nice. All right. There we go. There we go. All right. And this is 2X, because that's my size. So this is one. And then this one. All right. So these are some tops again. Yeah. So there are 3 of them. As you can see on the screen, this is burgundy, green, and yellow. I love this. It's like gold yellow. I love this color. Wow, this is going to look really, really nice on my skin. There we go. There we go. It's like off the shoulder kind of thing. Look at that. I like it. There we go. I like. Do you like? I like it. So that's 1, 2, 3. Right? 3 of them. All right. Okay. So these containers now. So let's get this out. I should have been wearing my gloves, but I'm not. But remember to sanitize after you open your. I like the sound. Ooh. There we go. There you go. All right. These are nice. I like the size. I remember when I was buying them, I was like not sure of what the size would be, but I know I wanted a good size, you know. Hey, all right. Ooh. All right. I won't be able to take it out, but these are the tops, and these are very, very nice. Very, very strong material. Yeah, very strong material. And it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 of them. Yeah. Awesome. All right, so that is it for our unboxing for today. Yes, oh my gosh, I think but my favorite today are the spoons. Today I unboxed a 3-pack, what is that? Okay, 3-pack top blouse set. We have gold, we have green, and we have burgundy, kind of like earth colors, which I really, really like. And then I also unpack or unveiled another top, which is a blue kind of stripe top, horizontal lines, really, really cute. And the links for all of these will be in the description of this video. I also unboxed a wired mouse, and a cutlery set, a 24-piece black silverware set with steak knives. All right, so yeah, cutlery set. Yes, and it's for food grade tableware cutlery set. I also unboxed that. And I also unboxed a 6-set, what do you call this? Heavy duty airtight plastic containers. It's a set of 6. I also unboxed that as well. So that's what we did for today. I love to open new packages, information on the top funding opportunities for entrepreneurs who are seeking funding. Come along with me. I'm Coach Racquel, and this is a passion project for me, so I'm so happy to bring this to you. Thank you so much for listening. Thank you for watching.
Unlock your potential every Thursday with our podcast, Refresh, Relax, Renew. Join Coach Racquel as she guides you through personal development journeys. Each episode focuses on actionable steps to enhance your personal journey. The podcast features 3 main segments to keep you engaged. We start with discussions on trending topics relevant to your growth. Then we unbox solutions to common challenges we face daily. Finally, stay updated with fresh funding opportunities each week. Tune in every Thursday for new episodes, and see you there.
Welcome to mycoachministry.com. We're on a mission to empower 1 million purpose-driven entrepreneurs, turning calling into currency. Through strategic coaching, we guide visionary leaders, brand elevation, and creative empowerment, helping leaders break barriers and own their identity. Build impactful, wealth-generating brands that echo across generations.